I beg, we are calling on the authorities to come to our aid. This is a street, Ute. This is Ute. This is off Palace Road in Ute. This is a street. Look at one street. This is another. This is a lane adjoining to another street. They are building because the man has money. This is his land. He's the one that owns this school.
Hello everyone. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also now they fine. God bless una. So now they follow me today. Share, comment, like. As soon as they watch, even for those one way they put this like, oh can't say, I really appreciate una. My people, the video where I go let una see so more than one watch, so more than just watch this video. This thing happen for our place for Benio. Una know so all these big men will be say they get money, they try to they oppress others because they not get voice to talk. Thank God for wetin happen now. Obaseki, he hear their voice. Okay, my people. So this man wait there for this area where I go show on the video. The man get money. I think get school. We get no so these people where they get private school. Then they build down for where they know. You know, una know as this something they go on. So this man now, the street where follow the street, where follow the where the school there. He come, they start to the put block for there. What he want do? He want close the street. Very long street. So when I go see and when I go put on for this video, he want build another school for the streets to close the streets. Me, I never see this kind of thing. If even though say you get money, how's this there for the area where you want make the come they pass? I don't know. I not be saying na your land. Not be saying na your land. Or because of say they get more money, they go like to do many things where be say, they go say if you talk, you know, we go lock you, you go do this one. That's our country, eh? It good sometimes, make them they voice out. Because thank God say everybody don't get a phone where be say, you feel carry your record, then you post for social media. Call on people go hear you, they go help you share them. So this lady, they can't do video. They can't do video, can't they call on Obaseki, make them call, say the street where be say a car they pass, everything they pass there, now there they pass. This man, because of say he get money, he want coin kukuma build another house for the streets. That is for the where they pass. So this one not be saying a land where be saying yo. This one are just on a know this government land where car they pass. You feel pass and enter your house, nobody goes tell you anything. This one just come from nowhere. The land won't come belong to you. Oh, the way where some of our people, because of them get more money when they say they do, me I don't understand though for it. Thank God, Obaseki send the people, may they go destroy it. They don't even build down, if you not see, because you know say when they do the block, people not quit they talk come and they think say maybe it get what they happen. Now one lady when he come voice and say, this thing, if you not cover and I don't know say all those are why they need your man where be say they'll say he said he went there. I know one may I can't get problem with people. Now so then they do. But this one a very young lady where do this video say no, this kind of thing nothing happen from where we did. Correct if a phone, use and take video and post them. He never reach how many days they can't answer them. I will put the video, more than watch the video, more than even see the time where they even content destroy the block where they do. They be done they mow down, they do everything. They be one start. How you go build house or another school for road where car they pass, where people they pass go their house. I don't understand where all these people where be say they get more money, the way where they tell they do something. Eh? If you get money, go buy land for where you know say you go fit buy land where you know get problem. Then you start to they do what you want to do for them. If na school you want put good. If na anything where you like say you want put on for them. Why you just come because of say the people where they the street, you don't want make them talk, make them not come and talk. You want do anything where you like, you just build down. What you want do? You want build something for center of road. Then people where they the other side where they want go the pass. People where they the other side where they want to go the pass. May I put the video for now? More than watch am. If you not get this kind of thing. One they call on Obaseki, you go answer una. Do video, post am. Una remember say one certain time e get one video where I still post that video because of say this man get money for the street where he can't do all this no that gallop wey they do for road. He can't do one for many places. So one man come vex because he said the gallop they disturb people where they pass. You now understand? No, nah. He destroy everything come on because not be people where do the road now put on. This one just carry mate. Now mate he just miss mate. He go put on for almost 6 place for the road. Now the man go destroy and say you not get right. Now those people where be say then they do road now supposed to put all these things. Not be you where be say you just get off for inside your house. You just feel like say you want to do this kind of thing. You want to go do one. Anyway, me I put this one where they talk about just now. Mona watcher.
They give the opportunity.
I beg, we are calling on the authorities to come to our aid. This is a street, Ute. This is Ute. This is off Palace Road in Ute. This is a street. Look at one street. This is another. This is a lane adjoining to another street. They are building because the man has money. This is his land. He's the one that owns this school. This is his own land. See, they are fencing the streets. The Divine Providence want to kill us in this street because he has money. They are building on the road. They are building on the road. Look at road. Look at road. He's fencing from this place, cutting off this lane. He said he has money, that we cannot do anything. He has influenced everybody. They are taking the land. They are taking the road. They are building on the road as we are talking right now. You can see the work. They are fencing right now. Look at them working. They are already digging foundation. Please, government, come to our aid. Government, please, we are begging you. We do not have lane to adjoin the next street again. Please. Please. Government, Obaseki, come to our aid. Whoever is in charge, please come to our aid. The rich want to kill us here. He said he has money. He said he has money. See, they are digging foundation right now. Look at it. Look at foundation. There's nothing you can do. You can do nothing to me. You don't know who I am. Try it. Yeah. You will soon know who I am. Don't worry. Look at them. Look at this is his land. Look at his school. This is his school. This is another man's compound. This is another road. Look at where they are digging foundation right now. You can see it.
Good morning. Today is Sunday. We are responding to outcry. Somebody just decided to block streets. Many of you in your area, you sit in your house, they block your streets, you they fear to talk. And then you go say government not do anything. Who be government? Now all of us be government. Government not be one man property. Who be governor today, tomorrow you go be yes governor. So if in your street something is happening, you not really talk out, make government hear. You are part of the problem. Because people talk out, now we don't come break here, so always speak.
We have with us the Commissioner for Urban and Fiscal Planning. She came with her entourage this morning. In our midst, you can see the first men they are here, the Nigerian Civil Defense, the police, and they brought down the fence. Thank you very much. We are grateful. This indeed shows that Governor Obaseki is working and is the governor of the common man. We are grateful indeed. Thank you, Commissioner, ma.
See, Commissioner.
Yeah, I know. I'm not saying it in the video. The school is being sealed. Thank you.
Inside the compound. Tomorrow morning.
The school is being marked. Marked for removal. Good morning, sir. We have with us the Commissioner for Urban and Fiscal Planning. She came with her entourage this morning. In our midst, you can see the first men they are here, the Nigerian Civil Defense, the police, and they brought down the fence. Thank you very much. We are grateful. This indeed shows that Governor Obaseki is working, and is the governor of the common man. We are grateful indeed. Thank you, Commissioner, ma.
See, Commissioner.
Yeah, I know. I'm not saying it in the video. The school is being sealed. Thank you.
Inside the compound. Tomorrow morning,
the school is being marked. Marked for removal. Good morning, sir.